Hi friends, your ROSARIO from Simply Options. From here, option journey starts. This space is going to be one-stop solution to learn option trading from basics level to advanced level. But before stepping into there, let me give an overview of what is option trading, what it takes to be an option trader. 3 cents. Number 1, option trading is a high risk game. Even Warren Buffett has told that derivatives is a weapon of mass destruction. Point number 2, trading as such, whether it is option trading or equity trading as such is a negative sum game. What do I mean by that? For example, you are doing a trade in trade 1, you have lost say 10,000 rupees. In trade 2, you have gained 10,000 rupees. So whether you have recovered all your losses? The answer is no. When you take any trade, each individual trade will have so many costs involved. Brokerage, GST, stamp duty, STT, exchange turnover charges. So many charges are there. So even when you recover all your losses, there will be a certain amount of expenses you will be incurring to incur the trade. In a longer term, if you just make break even every time, but still these expenses will pile up, that will eat away your capital bit by bit. So trading as such is a negative sum game. Third important cent, what does stat says? Mathematically or statistically, 95% of traders lose money. They don't even make 0.01% positive. That's the stat. And there is even a saying in stock market, 90 rule. 90% of the traders lose their 90% of their capital in 90 days. So these are all the stats which you need to be aware before getting into option trading. Whether all these statements are true? Yes, all these statements are true if you gamble with trading. It is all these statements you can prove it wrong if you consider trading as a business. So see, in any business, what you can reasonably expect is 2% return per month. 2 to 3% is what you can reasonably expect. But when people come into trading, what they expect is they want to double their capital, triple their capital, that too in a very short span. Even someone want to double their capital within a month. So when your capital needs to be doubled in a month, there is a probability you may lose your entire capital within a month. So that is the problem where so many people lose their money in trading. If you consider this as a proper business, if you evaluate your business risk, if you have a proper system and risk management in place, you can definitely make 2 to 3% return consistently. So that is a saying in Tamil, Ettu Surakai Karikku Udavadu, which means mere speech is of no good. So let me show my P&L openly in public for the very first time. Let's get into my P&L. You can, the point of showing this is for educative purpose, where you can see, you will get a broad idea what an option trader, how he makes a return on a month-on-month basis, how his return is paced. I'll show you for the last 3 months. Let's get into it. Let me log in. I have an account with IFL. It's one of my account. Yep, it's logged in. See, you can see here, this is my details. You can see my name, address, all those things. Now the part of P&L, I'll show you my P&L. I'll show month by month so that you'll get a fair understanding how it is based on each individual month. Let us see for September first. So from 1st September, the capital of this account is 50 lakhs approx. For September, you can notice, so this is how it loads. I'll just go to the last page where it cumulates whatever return for the particular month. You can notice for the month of September, I have made negative 45,000. Yes, I have made a loss of 45,000, which turns out to be approximately 1% negative for the month of September. Yep. Now for October, again October is a 31st, 31 days is there. So for October, you can see we have made around 2 lakhs return, which is approximately 4% for the month of October. Now for November, the recent ended month, for the month of November, yes. For the month of November, again I'll go to the last page where it consolidates the return for the entire month. For the month of November, it is around 3 lakhs. So which is, it's a good month. We have made around 6% I have made. The bigger point is, I'll just show you the 3 days of December trading also before I conclude it. I'm just showing you from first, for the last 3 days. I started December with a good note. The just completed expiry. It was a good. I made 2% around. So we have made 1 lakh just for the first three trading sessions. So which is approximately 2% of my capital. The bigger point is, see, like I told, month of September I have made 1% negative. Month of October I have made 4%. Month of November I have made 6%, and now in December I am sitting with 2%. It may turn out to be a 4%, 5% month, or it may end in negative also. So what is the two key conclusions here? One, in stock market no return is guaranteed. The very first month I showed you, I made a negative return of 1%. So if any trader who is saying I'll give you a guaranteed return, then your role of due diligence increases exponentially on the trader, because no one can guarantee any return. We are not doing any government jobs, or we are not putting our money in fixed deposit. There is an element of risk in trading. Only way to be successful in trading is you minimize your risk. Whenever the risk happens, you cut your losses short. Number two, the payoffs are not linear. You can see I have made 4% in 1 month, negative in 1 month, and 6% in 1 month. But if you notice, approximately for the last 3 months I have made 9%, which comes to be 3% approximately for a month. So this is what, in a longer time period, what you can actually make is approximately 2 to 3% per month, which sums up to be 20 to 30% per annum. You can make easily with option trading. The why I say easily is that is very realistically possible. If you consider this as a business, and if you keep your risk management in place, then you are bound to be successful. Alright? Sure. Now let's jump into our academics. This is a niche area. Option trading is a niche area. You need to learn all basics chronologically. That's the problem where I find lot of good videos in public space. But the thing is, it has to be in a chronological order. You need to learn segment by segment to understand it completely. So every Sunday we will be releasing one particular topic, that too in academical order. We will be releasing one video on options, so you can watch and get benefit. Thank you.